Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to Forex Clubhouse. Now, if you want to know the real reason behind me taking this trade on Volatility 75 index, then I suppose you would have to watch this video from the very start till the end. Why? It is simply because it is the only way that you'll get the most out of this amazing strategy and probably be the start of you being a profitable long-term trader. Guys and girls, first thing is first. The reasons behind me taking this trade are as follows. But please, before anything else, I would really appreciate if you have a notebook and a pen so as to note each and every detail that will be pointed out later in this video. So I took this trade firstly because the market was on a very important resistance zone. As you can see, the drawn zone that occurs on the screen. But it is known that the majority of traders in the world, particularly the retail traders to be more specific, always trade some things like support and resistance. But also, the same statistics that have been done in the past show that the most of them, the retail traders, lose 95% of their capital in just 90 days of trading. Now, I believe the numbers never lie. So, this statement can just simply mean and concluded that having support or resistance only as your entry confluence alone is not a very good thing. So here comes the good part that most of the retail traders do not know. Always trade support and resistance. It is very true, but only after the weak rejections have occurred in the zones. Now this is a very important statement. Let me insist one more time. Always trade the support and resistance only after the weak rejections have occurred in the zones. Now, can anyone guess why is this statement so important? Why is this statement so important? Well, it's just simply because it shows the strength between the bulls and the bears. In simpler times, it just shows who is winning and who is currently losing. But for our present case, these weak rejections imply that the bulls are getting exhausted and that the bears are soon taking control of the price movements. As simple as that. Just as simple as that. Now let us give it a say. Let's say that when this trade was occurring, you were either asleep or busy on your 9-to-5 job and ended up missing this big opportunity while it occurred. So what will you do? Please tell me in the comment section, what would you do? You are on your 9-to-5 job or sleeping, or you're on a long flight, and you just happen that you missed this big opportunity. Just take your time and answer this simple question in the comment below. Well, guys and girls, if it were me, I would just be calm and see in more closer eyes what message comes from the market, so as to be able to grab an opportunity as soon as it hands itself to me. And that's why there's a saying that the successful traders or investors just sit around until there's money lying openly in the corner and they just go and pick it up. As simple as that. So what's next is I'm going to show you step by step on how you can enter this type of trades in case in the future you just find yourself in a situation where the big move has already occurred without you, and you will not have to have that thing called fear of missing out. I'm going to show you how to avoid having fear of missing out. And ladies and gentlemen, before proceeding any more further, let me just let you know that all of these trades, before they occur, are always given out on a Signal group on WhatsApp. So in any case, you may want to join my monthly Signal group or a one-to-one mentorship, then please feel free to contact me through my WhatsApp number that may be found in the description below. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any more time, let's proceed with our tutorial. I hope that it is known to you all that once a level is broken, the market price often tends to go back in the broken level before proceeding with its initial direction. I hope that is known. To make this statement to be more clear to you, then allow me to do a simple illustration that may help you to understand more and more to what I have just said. But it must be known to you all that for you to have a neutral mindset while in the market, then you will have to think in probabilities. And apart from the market to be expected to retest back to the broken level, this may also occur. It may break this minor correction and proceed to its downward direction even before retesting back to the broken level. So you have to think in probabilities so that you may have a neutral mindset while you are in the market. But also, I find it very rare for such conditions to occur while trading these synthetic indices, while it is very common to occur if you are a forex currency trader. Meaning that it's also uncommon when you are a commodity trader. It's very uncommon to have they are called as continuation flags on commodities such as gold and silver. Having said so, let us give it some time for the price action to play out before reaching out our broken level, which it is now or can be called as a minor resistance. Ladies and gentlemen, as expected, our price has come back to our broken level. So what should we do? Should we enter this trade right away? Well, my dear YouTube friends, the answer to that question is a big no. So what should we do? It's very simple. Just wait for weak rejection before entering. If you remember what I said earlier in this video about wicks, then please feel free to tell me in the comment section why are the weak rejection so important to consider. Well, after I have confirmed that the wick has formed on our high value area, I enter my trades instantly without wasting any more time. You being the witness, I'm sure that you can see that after a few hours later, the trade just went exactly as we had predicted. And believe me, doing these things each now and then, it just feels so good. So again, if you are in need on one-to-one mentorship, then you can contact me through the number that may be found in the description below. Ladies and gentlemen, I truly hope that you have enjoyed today's video. If yes, then please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.